as fuck, I'm up before the sun. Coffee in my cup, charts loading one by one. Ain't no time to waste, got my system down. Trading's what I do, about to get this crown. Screens all lit up, candles red and green. This my morning shit, know just what I mean. Sipping slow and steady, while I check the trends. Mad focus now, this is how my day begins. Charts and coffee got me in my groove. This my daily move, yeah, I got something to prove. Charts and coffee got me feeling smooth. This my daily truth, yeah, I know just what to do. Fuck the formal trading, that ain't how I roll. Take my time analyzing, that's how I get gold. Coffee getting cold, but I'm locked right in. Watching patterns form, know just where to begin. This ain't rocket science, just my daily grind. Same shit, different day, but I'm doing fine. Got my setup perfect, got my mind just right. About to make these moves, gonna do this shit all night. Sipping and trading, trading and sipping. Got my momentum, ain't no way I'm slipping. Yeah. Numbers and patterns, patterns and flows. This is my rhythm, everybody knows. Charts and coffee got me in my groove. This my daily move, yeah, I got something to prove. Charts and coffee got me feeling smooth. This my daily truth, yeah, I know just what to do. Making money moves, Dale, this should feel from home. Talking getting cold, but I'm still in the zone. Making money move, yeah, this shit feels like home. Fuck sleep, I got my morning mapped, while these other bitches still trapped in the naps. Quiet house, screens lit up bright. My setup perfect, everything's right. First sip hits, mind gets clear. Another day to fucking dominate here. Watch the numbers dance and slide, while my coffee keeps me certified. Charts and coffee started right, yeah. Focus tight, mind in flight, mind in flight. Charts and coffee make it flow, yeah. That's the rhythm that I know. Second cup, now I'm in the zone. All these patterns speaking in code. They don't know about this morning grind, being sharp when others fall behind. Fuck that FOMO, I stay composed. Years of practice, that's how it goes. Every move calculated clean. This ain't luck, you know what I mean. Early bird gets the fucking win. That's why I'm here where I've always been. Discipline hits different when it's dark. That's what sets the real one me. Early bird gets the fucking win. That's why I'm here where I've always been. Discipline hits different when it's dark. That's what sets the real ones apart. Their cup's cold, but I don't care. These indicators showing me where to place it perfect, time is sweet, while amateurs still catch disease. This game ain't for the weak or slow. Gotta be ready when it's time to go. Morning ritual got me trained. Others sleep while I maintain. Charts and coffee one more time, yeah. This rhythm's yours and this rhythm's mine, this rhythm's mine. 3 hours hit me with a different kind of peace. While the world's still quiet, I find my release. Just me and these numbers dancing slow, building patterns in my mind as I go. Something special about this morning, and way before the day is time to care. And I keep asking myself as the minutes tick by, and I keep wondering why every morning feels so right. What's brewing in my coffee or my mind? What's brewing, leaving yesterday behind? What's brewing in this cup of time? What's brewing as these thoughts align? You asked me once why I rise before the sun. Said I'm chasing something that can't be outrun. It's not about the money or the gain, it's about finding clarity when things ain't the same. Each morning ritual brings me closer to truth. Like watching steam rise, I'm finding proof that patience builds more than just a perfect cup. It's teaching me when to hold, when to give up. What's brewing in my coffee or my mind? What's brewing, leaving yesterday behind? What's brewing in this cup of time? What's brewing as these thoughts align? Sometimes I wish you could see this morning meditation with me, where everything makes sense before the world gets intense. What's brewing in my coffee or my mind? What's brewing, leaving yesterday behind? What's brewing in this cup of time? What's brewing as these thoughts align? What's brewing in me? Catching matter while the world's still asleep. First light hits my screen, I'm in my element. Fresh brew by my side, mind is confident. Reading these patterns like sheet music, feel the flow. Each candlestick painting stories as they go. Morning meditation with my market view. Catching waves of data, riding them with you. Some see just numbers, I hear the melody. Each trend line speaking rhythmically to me. Time signatures changing, support levels hold. Breaking down resistance as the day unfolds. Charts and coffee, that's my harmony. Finding rhythms where others just see. Random moves and noise, but baby, can't you see? These patterns move like jazz, just trust in me. Moving like jazz, just trust in me. Second cup hitting different minds, eye clear. Watch these price points dance, appear and reappear like a jazz musician. Reading between the lines, finding sweet spots where opportunity shines. Keep it cool and steady, no need to rush. Let the market breathe, feel that morning hush. Been studying patterns since you've been sleeping. Watching lines form art while knowledge I'm reaping. Strategy tight like a bebop groove. Calculated steps on when to make my move. Speed picks up, more intense delivery.
Quick shifts coming, tempo changing fast. Gotta stay composed, make these moments last. Reading signals, catching every beat. Market symphony playing just for me. Mind state elevated, focus clean. This ain't just trading, this is art you're seeing. Charts and coffee, it has my harmony. Finding rhythms where others just see. Random moves and noise, but baby, can't you see? These patterns move like jazz, just trust in me. Moving like jazz, just trust in me. Want a ritual complete. Left my mark on these streets of green and red, but the rhythm stays in my head.
Morning comes, I think of you first. Chart lines dance while my coffee bursts. Been at this game since day one, teaching me patience like you always done. Charts and coffee, that's our way, that's how we start the day. Got my screens lit, what you gonna say? Watch how the patterns play. Numbers flow like the brew in my cup. Some days down, but we keep looking up. You showed me how to read these signs. Now every morning feels like yours and mine. Remember what you taught me about staying cool. When markets get wild, I follow your rules. Charts and coffee, that's our way. That's how we start the day. Got my screens lit, what you gonna say? Watch how the patterns play. Just you, me, and these morning routines. Building something real, building something real. Know what I mean? I watch you rushing in the morning, trying to catch every move. But let me share something with you that'll help improve your groove. See, you're like fresh beans waiting to release what's locked inside. But patience makes the difference between success and a wild ride. Take it slow, watch it form, just like steam rising up warm. Let it brew, just like your morning cup, just like your morning cup. Take your time, watch it flow, don't rush to drink it up, don't rush to drink it up. Wisdom comes in drops, like coffee through the filter, finding patience at the top. You check your screens at sunrise, numbers dancing everywhere. But trading's like my coffee method, it needs time and tender care. Temperature's important, just like timing in the trade. Too hot and you'll get burned quick, too cold opportunities fade. Take it slow, watch it form, just like steam rising up warm. Let it brew, just like your morning cup. Take your time, watch it flow, don't rush to drink it up. Wisdom comes in drops, like coffee through the filter, finding patience at the top. I've seen too many burn out, trying to catch every wave, but the ones who last the longest know just when to stay away. So here's my morning lesson as I pour this cup for you. The market gives its gifts to those who know just what to do. Like coffee needs its moments for the flavors to extract. Your trades need proper timing before you plan to act. Let it brew, just like your morning cup. Just like your morning cup. Take your time, watch it flow, don't rush to drink it up. Don't rush to drink it up. Wisdom comes in drops, like coffee through the filter, finding patience at the top. Just up before the rest of the block, nah, just me and my laptop. Tick-tock, haven't even brushed my teeth yet, but these charts ain't gonna read themselves, I bet. Watch the steam rise, study every line. Same way I read these charts all the time. Coffee in my system, mind getting clear. That's how we make these moves round here. That's how we do. Red candles flash on my screen while I'm sipping something mean. Used to play it fast and lose, now wait for confirmation, that's the truth. Got a system, got a plan, more trading like a rookie, understand. Numbers dancing, but stay cool, cause panic selling's for a fool. Some days green, some days red, gotta keep a level head. Deep breath in, let it flow. This ain't no casino, yo. This is just not checkers, fam. Gotta think before you slam. Markets opening in 5. Feel my focus come alive. Charts tell stories if you know how to read between the highs and lows. Been at this since way back when. Now I'm teaching you, my friend. This ain't luck, this ain't chance. This is morning market dance. Watch the steam rise, study every line. Every single morning, we do this right. Coffee in my system, mind getting clear. It's the only way we move from here. watching lines that move like waves of grain. Every morning's got its own sweet flow. Some days fast, but mostly moving slow. Learning how to read which way things go. Finding peace in what these mornings show. In the quiet hours, patterns start to speak. When my mind is clear, that's what I see. In the quiet hours, patterns start to speak. When my mind is clear, that's what I see. Fuck the noise, I'm focused on my path. Reading signals through the aftermath. Every line's a story that I grasp. Some shit falls, other things will last. Damn, I love these mornings by myself. Learning lessons money couldn't help. Every cup of wisdom brings me wealth, beyond what's sitting on my shelf. Filtered through the static, find the flow that's magic. In the quiet hours, let it all unfold. Watch the truth get told. Patterns start to speak. In the quiet hours, patterns start to speak. In the quiet, when my mind is clear, that's what I see. That's what I see. In the quiet hours, patterns start to speak. In the quiet, when my mind is clear, that's what I see. La la la, patterns start to speak. When my mind is clear. La la la, the quiet hours. First rays break through my window pane. Coffee drips slow like a gentle rain. Numbers dance across my screen. I remain in this space where focus meets the mundane. Every morning, same position, same station. Building blocks of daily meditation. Clear mind as I track each indication. Patient breathing, deep contemplation. In the rhythm of my morning flow, let it guide me. Every pattern helps me grow. As above, so down below. In a rhythm, watch it move, finding truth in every groove. Lines intersect, I'll watch them play. Reading signs that point the way. Years of practice taught me how to stay cool and steady through each display. My fingers trace ascending paths while steam rises, making me laugh. This quiet hour holds its craft as wisdom flows through every draft. Each morning brings another chance to perfect this sacred dance. Some seek chaos, I see design. Some feel rushed, I take my time. In these moments, I refine every signal, every sign. On the surface lies the art of knowing when to stop and start. Each cup of wisdom sets apart a discipline that fills my heart. Early hours hold the key to everything I need to see. In this space, I'm truly free to let the knowledge flow through me. In the rhythm of my morning flow, let it guide me. Every pattern helps me grow. As above, so down below. In the rhythm, watch it move, finding truth in every groove. First cup steaming beside my screen. Charts and candles know what I mean. Trying to show you how I move. When markets open, got nothing to prove. Markets calling my name. Trading ain't just a game. Watch and learn, babe, watch and learn. Charts and coffee, that's my vibe. Teaching you how to survive. Morning routine, let me show you mine. Building wealth one trade at a time. Woke up early, check the trends. Send your signals, watch you win. Ain't no sleeping when Asia trades. Got my system, got it made. Keep it cool, stay in the zone. Analysis on my phone. Trading life, it's all I know. Watch these profits start.
Listen up, I'ma break it down for you straight. Look, charts telling stories while others hesitate. RSI crossing NACDs looking clean. Building strategies like you ain't never seen. Resistance levels got me feeling so alive. Support zones when my orders through sleep. Now I'm teaching you to swim in the deep. Trading wisdom, dropping knowledge every day. Show you how to read the markets display. No FOMO moves, we stay calculated. Success comes to those who waited.
Take notes while I demonstrate. Perfect entries, never too late. Watch how I navigate. Charts and coffee, that's my vibe. Teaching you First light breaking through my window, cup in hand, just me and morning slow dance. Watching steam curl up towards the ceiling, each breath measured, each moment revealing. Early peace before the world starts spinning, just us here, no need for pretending. Screen comes alive with gentle blue light, your patterns speak to me, morning feels right. Time suspended in the sacred space, just learning your rhythms, finding my place. Steam rising from my cup, while these charts are lighting up, finding clarity in numbers, while the morning's waking up. Watching patterns flow, 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 flow with the morning. Ooh, letting wisdom grow, 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 grow with the garden. Each candlestick painting stories clear, teaching lessons if you know how to hear. Red and green dancing on my screen, speaking truths about what might have been. Patient moments turn to understanding, while my coffee cools, wisdom expanding. You show me past the peaks and valleys to reaching. Surely teaching discipline through each rally. In these quiet hours we share our dance, numbers flowing, giving life its chance. Steam rising from my cup, while these charts are lighting up, finding clarity in numbers, while the morning's waking up. Let it flow, let it breathe, morning wisdom sitting free. Let it rise, let it be, finding peace in what I see. Early morning stillness, just you and me. Coffee pot brewing, charts on my screen. Every ripple in my cup shows me something new. Just like market trends, they're giving me a clue. Watch it rise and fall, both seeming lines. Morning meditation sharpening my mind. I can read these patterns like they're speaking clear, teaching me the rhythm of the day that's near. Every line tells a story, every trend holds a truth, Sip and study slowly, that's what I gotta do, that's what I gotta do. Numbers dance before me in the morning light, while my coffee cools, I'm reading signs just right. Some days flow easy, some test my grace, but I keep my focus, set my own pace. Measure movements, calculated plays, learning from each pattern as the market sways. In this quiet moment, everything aligns. Peace in my cup, clarity in my signs. Ba-da-ba-dum, watch it flow. Da-dum, let me know. Sha-la-la, see it grow. Oh, oh, now you know. Every line tells a story, tells a story. Every trend holds a truth, holds a truth. Sip and study slowly, study slowly. That's what I gotta do. That's what I gotta do. Morning wisdom brewing, charts and coffee flowing. Patterns keep on moving. That's the way we'll go. That's the way, that's the way we're going.
Early bird energy, just me and these lines. Numbers keep flowing, yeah, time after time. Steam from my cup like the thoughts in my mind. Quiet spaces where patterns align. Got that morning mindset locked and loaded. Screens lit up before the sun's posted. Brainwaves wavy, but I stay focused. This is how the day gets coded. Sipping slow, watching close, mind in the zone, that's how it goes. Every move calculated and bold. Building my vibe as the day unfolds. Breakfast with data, yeah, that's how I feast. Analytics hit different when streets still asleep. Got my system down pat, no need to compete. Just me and these numbers in perfect repeat. Morning ritual, got me centered and clean. Filter my thoughts like it's fresh caffeine. Stack my odds before others' routine. This quiet grind about to make me beam. Sipping slow, watching close, mind in the zone, that's how it goes. That's just how, that's just how. Every move calculated and bold. Building my vibe as the day unfolds. First light hitting different now. Found my rhythm, found my style. Morning moves, that's my profile.
I saw you trade, raw talent unafraid, but clicking without a plan. Need to help you understand. Watch and wait, calculate, time to elevate. Learn, trade, win, break it down and start again. Trade, win, make your move and then every chart tells a sign, reading patterns, matching time. Watch you grow with every trade as the lessons sink and fade. Getting stronger day by day, making moves the right way. Learn, trade, win, break it down and start again. Trade, win, make your move and then in the quiet spaces between each decision that you make, feel the pulse beneath the screen. Every choice, every stake. Now I see you've changed, mind and skills arranged, trading with the flow, everything you know, ready for the show. Your journey begin. Higher, higher, higher. Digital warrior, high. In sync with the rhythm inside. Every plan sand dissolves into pure light, rising higher than before, breaking through what holds me down. Feel the pulse beneath my feet, let it lift me from the ground. Rising higher than before, breaking through what holds me down. Feel the pulse beneath my feet, let it lift me from the ground. Moving with the flow, I know where to go. Moving with the flow, I know where to go. Moving with the flow, moving with the flow, I know where to go. Here in this moment, pure and complete, everything aligned. Something shifts inside my mind. Numbers start to align. Can't explain this feeling now. Everything slows down. Moving with the rhythm pure. Finding patterns getting sure. Time dissolves when I'm in the zone. Rising higher on my own. Time dissolves, time dissolves. Clear as morning, sharp as light. Every move feels right. Instinct guides me through the flow. Let the moment go. Every signal crystal clear. What I sought is finally here. Time dissolves when I'm in the zone. Rising higher on my own. Time dissolves, time dissolves.
Let it flow through me. Let it show me the way. Let it grow in me. Let me stay in the space.
Found the balance, found the way. Everything in play. Mind and body synchronized. Nothing left to hide. Time dissolves when I'm in the zone. Rising higher on my own. Time dissolves when I'm in the zone. Rising higher on my own. I send you this message straight from my mind. When everything clicks, leaving chaos behind. Feel the pulse in my veins as I start to flow. Time starts bending, letting everything go. Racing thoughts slow down. In the zone, time dissolves. Everything becomes clear. Each pattern I see brings me closer to you. Every signal I read tells me just what to do. Breath gets steady, heart beats in time as I rise through the layers. Life is fine. Watch the world fade out. In the zone, time dissolves. Everything becomes clear. fine, connected to power that was always mine. La, 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 la. Feel it coming. Feel it coming. Almost there. Almost there. In the zone, time dissolves. Everything becomes clear. Let it flow through me. Let it show me the way. Highway, highway, highway. Through the screens you watch and wait, every move calculate. In the pulse of market waves, your mind stays focused, brave. I see your patience grow with every ebb and flow. Let me guide you higher still, past the limits of your will. Beyond the screen, you'll break free into reality. You'll see. Charts and numbers dance in time. Your spirit starts to climb. Every trade refines your art. Each signal sets you apart. Wisely, wisely, ever rising, breaking boundaries day by day. Trading, learning, always turning, finding wisdom in your way. On the screen, you'll break free into reality. You'll see. Time dissolves and patterns clear as victories draw near. In this realm of endless trade, watch your mastery cascade. Let the rhythm take control. Feel the markets in your soul.
up, this ain't about me, it's about you. Every morning grinding one do, charts and patterns speaking truth, market wisdom flowing smooth, connected minds all breaking through, community that's tried and true, building wealth we're coming through, learn the game and follow through, that's what winners always do.
Small step, day by day, building strength, breaking waves, together we rise up high, nothing can hold us down, together we touch the sky, making our dreams come true. When you feel lost, I'll show the way. When markets cross, just hear me say, together in love. Not only so, together we rise up high. Together we touch the sky, making our dreams come true. We rise together. Patterns in motion, perfectly clear, like stars aligning when you persevere. Late night fights, just me and my screens, watching numbers dance, know what it means. Minds wide open, feeling so alive. Patterns speaking to me, time and time to thrive. Breaking through the noise, finding perfect poise. Learn the flow, trade the moment, winning's all I know. Rising high, never so low. Watch me as I grow. 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 Charts and lines become a symphony. Each move precise, pure harmony. Fans asking why you're still awake, but they don't see the moves I'm about to make. Some call it luck, but I put in the work. Studied every signal, every rise and fall. Now I'm in my element, pure focus, pure intent, pure intent. Breaking through the noise, finding perfect poise. Finding perfect poise. Learn the flow, trade the moment, winning's all I know. Rising high, never so low. Watch me as I grow. Watch me as I grow. Watch me as I grow. Okay, this is how we fly. Patterns of motion, touching the sky. Rise, rise, rise.
watch them fall, read the wall, make the call. Pattern spin, deep within. Let's begin. Learn to win. Learn, trade, win. Learn, trade, win. Learn, trade, win. Till the morning begins. I see the patterns in the waves moving through the digital space. Every pulse, every beat, teaching me what's underneath. Processing pure information, building my determination. Mind aligned, lines defined, time refined, victory signed. Learn, trade, win. Learn, trade, win. Learn, trade, win. Till the morning begins. We begin again.
Trading through the night when stillness speaks to me. Charts light up my screen. Time moves differently in the sacred space where patterns race. Through my mind so clear as others disappear. When the world sleeps, my mind awakens. Every trade flows like meditation. I study every line. Trade, I make the moment mine. Win, it's written in the signs. Learn, trade, win. We rise and rise. Vibing with the market flow. Heart on strong when others go. Finding alpha in the night. We take flight. DMs blow up my phone, but I trade alone. In this quiet room where wisdom looms. Every candle shows the way this market flows. Signals getting strong, algorithms dancing. Diamond hands engage, no more romancing. Learn, I study every line. Trade, I make the moment mine. Win, it's written in the signs. watching and waiting, day after day, moving in motion, finding my way, patterns at play, showing the signs, patience is paid, one step at a time. Can you feel it coming? See the signs aligning, every moment moving toward what we've been finding. Learn, trade, win, win, win tonight. Learn, trade, win, win, win this time. Minutes and moments, flowing like waves. Data is dancing, showing the way. Focus the feeling, follow through. Time keeps revealing what's tried and true. Moving, moving, deeper, deeper, higher, higher, closer, closer. Learn, trade, win, win, win tonight. Trade, win, win, win this time. Time is teaching, time is reaching, time is leading us home. I see you there, working late, taking care to find your way. Each small step, day by day, building strength, breaking lanes. Together we rise up high, nothing can hold us down. Together we touch the sky, making our dreams come true. We learn together, trade, the trade is won, victory has come.
Listen up, this ain't about me, it's about you. Every morning grinding what do, charts and patterns speaking truth, market wisdom flowing smooth, connected minds all breaking through, community that's tried and true, building wealth we're coming through, learn the game and follow through.
through. That's what winners always do.
Small step, day by day, building strength, breaking waves. Together we rise up high, nothing can hold us down. Together we touch the sky, making our dreams come true. When you feel lost, I'll show the way. When markets cross, just hear me say, together we love. Together we rise up high. Together we touch the sky, making our dreams come true. We rise together. Trading through the night, still speaks to me. Charts light up my screen. Time moves differently in the sacred space where patterns race. Through my mind so clear as others disappear. When the world sleeps, my mind awakens. Every trade flows like meditation. I study every line. Trade, I make the moment mine. Win, it's written in the signs. Learn, trade, win. We rise and rise. Vibing with the market flow. Heart on strong when others go. Finding alpha in the night. We take flight. DMs blow up my phone, but I trade alone. In this quiet room where wisdom looms. Every candle shows the way this market flows. Signals getting strong, algorithms dancing. Diamond hands engage, no more romancing. Run, I study every line. Trade, I make the moment mine. Win, it's written in the signs. Learn, trade, win. We are Numbers flow up and down, but I stay locked in my spot. Studying patterns day by day, learning from every fall. Connected minds in the digital space, together we stand tall. We rise as one, knowledge shared with everyone. Standing strong, can't go wrong when we move as one. La la la, we rise. La la la, we climb. We climb. Red or green, I stay serene. Reading signs, making moves. Every L just makes me lean into what I got to prove. Discord fam got my back when times get rough and raw. Sharing wisdom, staying on track. That's what we're fighting for. Learn, trade, win, together we rise. Bulls up, bears down, stay wise, together we thrive. We rise as one, knowledge shared with everyone. Standing strong, can't go wrong when we move as one. We rise, we climb.
I see you shaking my debris. Let me show you how a real one gets paid.
You stop lost, looking juicy, I'ma take that shit. Watch your position crumble while I make that split. Emotional little bitch, I see you hesitate. While you're frozen up in fear, I calculate. Been studying your patterns, know just when you fold. Your weakest strategy's about to get controlled. I ain't playing games, this ain't no fucking sport. I'm that bitch who takes your money, leaves you short. Every time you FOMO in, I'm selling high. By the time you figure it out, your accounts run dry. Cold-blooded executioner, that's what I do. Systematic elimination coming for you. Watch me scalp your profits with surgical precision while you're crying on Reddit about your bad decisions. Can't handle the pressure, better log right out, cause I feast on bitches with emotional doubt.
Your fear is my feed. Your panic's what I need. Your fear is my feed. Your panic's what I need.
Fuck your technical analysis, I read your mind. Know exactly when you break, it's just a matter of time. Your hands are made of paper, mine of titanium. I'll liquidate your ass straight to oblivion. Charts looking bearish, watch me flip that shit. While you're panic selling, I'm accumulating it. This ain't personal, baby, just business sense. But watching you lose, everything brings pure suspense.
You thought you had an edge, bitch, I am the blade. Cut it through your portfolio like a fucking raid. Everything you build up, I'ma tear it down.
King me, checkmate, now bow to the crown. See the difference between you and me. I don't let emotions climb my strategy. I'm calculated, cold, precise, and mean. While you're just another sucker on my screen.
Your fear is my feed. Your panic's what I need. Your fear is my feed.
Market Mavericks. Mind the movement. We mastering this money mission, watch and learn.
First time I stepped in, feeling fresh and free. Thinking trading's easy, that ain't meant to be. Paid my tuition through the losses, yes indeed. Till I found my family in the LTW. What you know about patience when the pressure's high? What you know about staying cool when profits fly? Learn, trade, win, that's the mission. Learn, trade, win, pure precision. Precision plotting, properly positioned. Pattern recognition, got my mind conditioned. Moving militant with market mathematics. While amateurs panic, we stay systematic. Breaking barriers with calculated actions. Fast-paced phrases, Messi's price reactions. Stacking profits like I'm stacking syllables. Critical thinking keeps us invincible. Discord army, we stay sharp and ready. Base camp building, keeping movement steady. Market manipulation can't defeat us. Teacher taught us how to read and beat this. You know about patience when the pressure's high? What you know about staying cool when profits fly? Learn, trade, win, that's the mission. Learn, trade, win, pure precision. Slow it down, let me break it to your plane. Every loss we take becomes a lesson gained. Patient players prosper through the market pain, while others fold we maintain, remain, retain. Technical precision, timing's everything. Moving with conviction when the bells ring. Market master making major moves. Building better patterns, breaking through. Fast flow matches how the price be running. Always analyzing, never front running. Discord warriors drop the wisdom daily. Learning lessons, living life less lazy. Strategy stacked and system set. Profit protected, no room for regret. This is warfare waged with wisdom wide. Trading trenches, take the winning side. Watch me work a wicked word selection, while my wallet shows the win collection. Learn to trade and trade to win. That's the path we've always been. Market Mavericks, mind the movement. We mastering this money mission. Learn, trade, win, that's our vision.
Watch me calculate, calibrate. Precision's what I demonstrate. Cold blood pumping, mind state, elevate. Y'all ain't ready for what I create.
Calculated killer, ayy, market thriller. Play it smart, get it harder. Solid starter, calculated killer. Facts, never bitter. Make it hard, hit the target. Perfect Parker, yeah. Precise moves, never lose, that's the protocol. Clock ticking while I'm picking out the perfect call. Ain't no rushing when I'm crushing competition to the wall. Stack attacks, facts match, watch me break the fall. Quick switch, flip, script, tips, rip strips off the chart. Smart part, hard art, tear the game apart. Been my timing since the day that I would start. Now they all follow when I apply my perfect mark. Strike, right, time, right, mind, take, shine, right, now, fight, height, might. Pattern recognition got me locked and loaded up. Numbers dance before my eyes, while profits show me love. Analytics in my veins, I'm strategic when I cut. Push and pull the perfect tool, I know just when to strut. Methodical, analytical, statistical drive. Critical, pivotal, individual vibe. Watch and wait until it's time to come alive. Then I strike with perfect time and watch me thrive. Slow it down, let me break it to you clean. Everything I got I earned through discipline. Patience is the power that'll make you mean. Weigh and watch, then strike, that's how we win. How we win, how we win, how we win. Back up in it with the quickness, witness this precision. Split second decisions, crystal clear vision. No permission needed for this demolition. Competition wishing they can match my composition. Tactical, practical, mathematical mind. Strategical, radical, handling time. Watch me stack it, pack it, crack it, then I shine. Perfect pattern, matter of fact, I'm too refined. Calculated killer, market thriller. Brand smart, get it hard. Solid starter, calculated killer.
another candle burns. You ready? Let's go!
Jumped in the trade like it's do or die. Price flew up, now it's kissing the sky. Fake out drop, yeah, the stop was mine. And you be moving like it's lost his mind. I got zones, I got plans, I got patience in my hands. But it don't care, it's one sight. Green 1 minute, then full red flag. I scream at the screen, but it don't scream back. This mark is a beast and it's on the attack. One false move and you're tossed in the fire. But I'm built for this, pain kills my desire. No mercy, just movement, cold and precise. You blink, you're gone, pay the trader's price. Chasing the edge, I'm riding the storm. In this chaos, my will is reborn. I've been wrecked, I've been played, but every loss is a blade. Sharper now, I don't flinch no more. This ain't luck, it's a mental war. I won't break up, bend and I strike. Trading scars in the dead of night. Breathing the fear, exhale the doubt. NQ's loud, but I'm louder, I shout. You're ruthless, wild like a flame. Taking my soul, but I'm playing your game. I rise, I fall, I bleed, I crawl, but I still come back and I give it my all. You can't break me, not today. This shot cuts deep, but it won't fade away.
Woke up at 6, charts lit like a flare. Coffee in hand, I take my trader's chair. NQ on the screen, moving like it's on fire. Up 30 points, now we're spitting out wires. Wicks like whips, slapping dreams on the low. Thought it was a breakout site, fake show. Liquidity hunting, stops getting bled. It pumps like a king, then dumps you instead. And you be wildin', wildin', heart rate rising. One tick in, now I'm analyzing. Breakouts break me, fake out, shake me. This ain't a market, it's a straight up daydream. Me wild, who be wildin', fast like lightning. Slaying my stops, man, this chart's exciting. You think you got it? Nah, it's a trap. Welcome to the jungle, better check that map. Indicator climb, bro, I'm out of clues. EMA's drunk and the RSI snooze. Price moves clean, that's a straight up myth. It jukes left and right, now you're off the cliff. The algos dance, tick for tick precision. Retail guessing while they making decisions. My setup's fire, but the market don't care. It flipped the whole zone like truth or dare. And you be wildin', heart rate rising. One tick in, now I'm analyzing. Breakouts break me, fake out, shake me. This ain't a market, it's a straight up daydream. And you be wildin', fast like lightning. Slaying my stops, man, the chart's exciting. You think you got it? Nah, it's a trap. Welcome to the jungle, better check that map. I'm scalping ghosts, I'm trading smoke. NQ's laughing, man, this ain't no joke. But I'll be back with a plan so tight, cause even NQ gotta sleep at night. So if you ride with Ink, you better bring your A game. Respect the beast or it'll burn your name. Volatile dreams in a pixel storm. This market's chaos, but it's how I urge you more.
It moves in shadows, creeps in the night. Gold got a mind that don't act right. Fake calm, but it holds that rage. Sleep on it once, now you trapped in the trade. Flight to safety or panic play. One headline hit is a runaway. I'm up my levels with blood and care, but it still breaks hearts like it just don't care.
Gold got mood swings, jumping out the gate. 1 minute smooth, next ceiling fade. Quiet like a whisper, then boom with a bang. Breaking all structure, killing your plan. It ain't just metal, it's a living flame. Dancing on dreams, never moves the same. Gold got mood swings, best stay wise. You blink once, there go your prize.
News drop, spike, FOMC night fight. Inflation fears, or rate hike tears. They'll jump 10 points just to shift the gears. You ain't trading metal, you trading pride. It pulls you deep, then flips the tide. You thought it was done, now this is the start. Gold don't care about your fibs or your chart.
I seen it pause for hours, then explode in seconds. Whips our dreams, golden lessons. It don't follow rules, it breaks them, then rewrites them, then rewrites them. Gold got mood swings, don't get caught. Moves like a queen, cold but hot. You chase, you lose, that's how it plays. You wait, you strike, that's how you stay. A mirror to fear, a lover to pain. Gold ain't a trade, it's a hurricane.
It's not just a chart, it's alchemy. Turn your peace into panic. That's gold.
Gold in my favor, gold in my favor, gold. Every move I take, gold in my favor. Patience paid off, now I taste the flavor. Profit so clean, don't need no savior. I'm the one, go feel the labor.
They rushing loud, I'm moving silence. Gold made me rich off pure compliance. Rules I wrote, now I live them slow. Seeing that setup, yeah, I let it grow. No fear trades, I'm built from loss. Every scar taught me how to boss. Gold's my canvas, I paint in ticks. Turn pullbacks into candle wicks.
Every move I take, gold in my favor. Patience paid off, now I taste the flavor. Profit so clean, don't need no savior. I'm the one, go feel the labor.
Woke up, check the zone, still valid. Entry hit smooth, now the chart look lavish. People chase hype, I chase the truth. Go show love when your mind got proof. I don't flinch when it starts to dance. I'm the reason price got that glance. Strategy, cold, discipline, rare. Why they guess I breathe market air.
Every move I take gold in my favor. Patience paid off, now I taste the flavor. Profit so clean, don't need no savior. I'm the one, go feel the labor. Stack these wins with grace and fire. I don't fall, I climb higher. Gold in my lane, flowing like fame. Marked my zone, now I dominate.
I see you watching how I move, trying to figure out the rules. But what you see ain't what it seems. I got the keys to everything. Charts don't lie, emotions die when you follow what you know. Charts don't lie, emotions die. Let the numbers guide you slow. Charts don't lie, emotions die. Steady hands will make it grow. Charts don't lie, emotions die. That's the game I'm gonna show. Started out like you, chasing fast money moves. Lost it all one time, had to pay my dues. Now I study patterns like a sacred art. Keep my feelings locked away, that's being smart. Every morning grinding, watching lounge events. Nothing left to chance, this ain't no romance. Build it brick by brick, no shortcuts here. Patience is the path that got me in the clear. They all wanna know how I stay so cool when the pressure's high and the stakes are cruel. But I learned the hard way, yeah, I paid my price. Now I'm sharing wisdom, hope you take advice. Charts don't lie, emotions die when you follow what you know. Charts don't lie, emotions die. Let the numbers guide you slow. Charts don't lie, emotions die. Steady hands will make it grow. Charts don't lie, emotions die. That's the game I'm gonna show. See the signals clear when my mind is right. Keep my moves strategic through the day and night. Build my empire slow, yeah, that's my style. Watch and learn the game, it took me quite a while. No more rush decisions, no more foolish plays. Calculated steps through all these market waves. When they panic sell, I keep my head straight. That's the difference between good and being great. Sometimes I sit back and think about the lessons. Every loss became a blessing. Now I'm teaching what I know. 'Cause charts don't lie, that's how we grow. That's how we grow. That's how we grow. Charts don't lie, emotions die. When you follow what you know, follow what you know.
Screens light up the room, another late shift soon. Charts moving slow, but I already know. Started out confused, watching numbers move. Didn't understand, money slipped through my hand. Lost more than I planned, but something in me changed. Studied every trade, found patterns in the game. Learn the moves, make the trade. Stack it up, calculations made. Every night I'm getting paid, while the whole world fades away. While they sleep, learn the moves, make the trade. Patient mind, watch it play. Every night I'm getting paid, while the whole world fades away. 2 years in the grind, reading every sign. Market on my mind, left the fear behind. Now I see it clear, when to hold, when to steer. Numbers tell the tale, never gonna fail. Watching candlesticks climb, red to green in time. Building up my worth, put the hours in first. Learn the moves, make the trade. Stack it up, calculations made. Every night I'm getting paid, while the whole world fades away. Learn the moves, make the trade. Patient mind, watch it play. Every night I'm getting paid, while the whole world fades away. Late night, bright screen, studying the scene. Every pattern that I'm seeing got a meaning. No more random moves, no emotional choosing. Calculated stats, that's how I keep improving. Watching volume spike, timing's gotta be right. Reading RSI, boundaries in sight. Some call it luck, but they don't know the word. I was analyzing charts till my eyes hurt. Built my strategy, now I'm moving clean. No more FOMO trades, no more chasing schemes. Discipline is key, that's the only way. Night shift, grind until I see the break of day. Moment of truth, charts about to move. Hands steady now, this is what I do. I study hard, make the trade, I pay my dues. Every night, now watch me while the whole world fades away.
Learn, trade, win. That's the motto we live in. Every loss made me stronger, now I'm never giving in. Started at the bottom, looking at them charts all day. Red numbers hit different when your rent late. Studied every pattern till my eyes went blank. Now I move different, got a different rank. Used to chase the quick flip, ended up in pain. Had to learn patience, had to train my brain. Watching all these suckers make the same mistakes, while I'm in the back plotting my escape. Years of preparation, analyzing trends. Cold nights grinding while they playing pretend. Now my phone stayed buzzing, numbers looking right. Made it through the storm, now I see the light. Living by the system that I built myself. Knowledge is the currents more than money and wealth. Watch me stack my wins like it's mathematics. While they moving sloppy, I stay calculated. Learn, trade, win, that's the way. Every day we begin, stack it up. Learn, trade, win, never stop till we all eating good again. Mirando los números, estudiando juego. While these fools sleeping, yo no tengo sueño. Aprendí las reglas, now I break the code. Desde abajo hasta arriba, that's how the story goes. Lost 100 times, but I'm still here standing. Cada pérdida taught me new understanding. Now I move smooth like agua en el rio. Got the perfect timing, that's my estilo. All my people eating, we don't stress no more. Built an empire from the knowledge that I stored. Every win I get, I spread gain to my team. Now we all up, living out a scheme. Money flowing steady like a natural stream. Got these fools watching like it's on the screen, but they don't see the work behind the scenes. Years of losses turned into victories. Had to reshape my mind, leave the fear behind. Now I'm in my prime, watch me shine. Learn, trade, win, that's right. Every day we begin. till we all eating good again. I watched the patterns play out. They all said I wouldn't make it, but the numbers speaking loud while they still out here faking. Yeah, numbers don't lie, that's why I rely on what I can prove, not what they try. Pattern to pattern, I multiply. Learn from the losses, then watch fly. Let it fly, let it fly. Numbers don't lie, yeah, they tell me why. Some people lose while others rise high. Follow the facts and let them guide. Been patient, now watch me thrive. Started with nothing but time on my screen. Studying movements, know what they mean. Painting my brain from the mistakes I made, but every L taught me how to get paid, yeah. Moving methodical, mind over feels. Data don't change, but the emotion steals. Build my foundation brick by brick, now watch me calculate every flip. Patience paying off, they can't understand how I stay cool when the pressure land. Focus forward, never looking back. Keep it clean while they moving slack. Yeah, facts, facts. Took my time to learn the rules while they rushed and playing fools. Now they ask me how I knew, but I just let the numbers move. People want quick wins, instant gains. I build my system through the pain. Analyze the flow, recognize signs while they chase. How I read between lines, monitor movements, master the math. Calculate decision based on proof, calculate choices down to the last. Every decision based ain't trends, why they gambling on the roof? This ain't luck, looking pure performance dance. Watch a lesson that I earned, big facts. Numbers don't lie, that's why I rely on what I can prove, not what they try. Pattern to pattern, I multiply. Learn from the losses, then watch fly. Let it fly, let it fly. Numbers don't lie, yeah, they tell me why. Some people lose while others rise high. Follow the facts and let them guide. Been patient, now watch me thrive. Keep watching patterns play out while I stack it higher. Numbers speak loud, never get tired. Yeah, we are.
Y'all move pieces random, I calculate precise. While you chase quick profits, I'm strategizing twice. 10 steps ahead, your basic moves I can predict. This ain't no simple game, my method's scientific. Rapid calculations, market oscillations. You stuck on one move plans, I'm seeing combinations. Bank account elevation through smart navigation. While y'all keep hesitating, I'm accumulating. Check your mate, don't hate, this ain't debate. You move too late, I already sealed your fate. My mind's a supercomputer processing gains, while y'all still confused by simple price change. Learn, trade, win, that's the mission. Learn, trade, win, no competition. Learn, trade, win, stay committed. Learn, trade, win, get it. Pawns advanced strategic, every move methodic. While y'all play checkers, I'm out here encyclopedic. Quick with the statistics, flowing algorithmic. Brain automatic, profit systematic. Fuck what you heard about fast cash and luck. I studied patterns till my vision got stuck. Now every chart I see reveals the truth. Market manipulation can't shake my groove. Queen takes bishop but controls the field. Knowledge is power, that's my strongest shield. Call me grandmaster of this trading floor, while y'all still learning what the game is for. Patience in motion, strategic devotion. Watch and learn, feel the burn. Learn, trade, win. Accelerate the
trace. Your simple strategies I'll straight replace with complex calculations, market domination, pure dedication, no hesitation. Been in the lab while y'all been sleeping, studied the craft while y'all been creeping. Now watch me demonstrate perpetual check while your account balance hits the deck. Learn, trade, win, that's the mission. Learn, trade, win, competition. Learn, trade, win, stay committed. Learn, trade, win, that's the system.
Checkmate, game over. Level up, game over. They sleep on me now, but they gonna learn, yeah. Watch me turn these charts into what I earn. Started from the bottom with a phone in my hand. Everybody laughed when I said I had a plan. Small account vibes, but my mindset was grand. Now them same folks wanna know where I stand. Been up since 5, studying every line. While they waste time, I'm reading every sign. First few trades hit me like a brick wall, but I ain't give up, now I learn from every fall. You're wasting time, that's what my daddy said. Get a real job, man, I mess with my head. But I kept pushing, kept my focus tight. Now my account growing, future looking bright. Hey, learn, trade, win, that's my daily grind. Been patient with it, now it's my time. My time. They sleep on me now, but they gonna learn. Learn, baby. Watch me turn these charts into what I earn. Learn, trade, win, that's the only way. Learn, trade, win, getting better every day. Red candles had me doubting everything. Green days came slow like a broken wing, but I studied hard, yeah, I paid my dues. Now I'm teaching others how to read the clues. Remember crying when I blew my first stack, but that loss taught me how to bounce back. Now I'm in my zone, reading every trend, making moves that got my whole crew fed. You thought I was crazy, glued to these screens. Now look who's winning, living out these dreams. This ain't luck, baby, this is pure skill. Years of grinding up this market here. They said I couldn't make it, said I should quit trading. Now look who's calculating, while they stay hating. Hey. Learn, trade, win, that's my daily grind. Been patient with it, now it's my time. They sleep on me now, but they gonna learn. Watch me turn these charts into what I earn. Learn, trade, win, that's the only way. Learn, trade, win, getting better every day. Learn, trade, win, that's my daily grind. Been patient with it, now it's my time. Yeah. Watch and learn. I stay quiet while they loud. Keep it cool in the crowd. Watching charts day and night. Taking notes, got my lane. They wonder how I made it, but I know what it takes. Keep studying the patterns while everybody breaks. Silent moves make loud money. Silent moves make loud money. Keep it cool, stay focused, honey. Silent moves make loud money. Lost it all back in May. Learned my rules, found my way. No emotions when I trade. Calculate every play. Check the trends, read the signs, take my time. They wonder how I made it, but I know what it takes. Keep studying the patterns while everybody breaks. Silent moves make loud money. Silent moves make loud money. cool, stay focused, honey. Silent moves make loud money. Round money. Round money. Style money. Style money. Started from zero, now I'm up. Studied the game, built it up. Losses taught me what I know. Now I move smart, watch it grow in my zone. Shots on screen, everything moving clean. No distractions, clear mind. Perfect timing, by design. Silent moves make loud money. Silent moves make loud money. Keep it cool, stay focused, honey. Silent money. Yeah. Watch and learn. Silent moves. That's how we do it.
Yeah. You fuck that weak shit. I stay focused while they all quit. Let's go.
All day I grind, screen in my face. Numbers align, set my own pace. Fuck what they say, I got my way. Most walk away, but I'm gon' stay. Quick with the clicks, mindful of tricks. Ain't no look shit, pure analytics. Watch how I move, call it precise. Ready to prove, bid it their price. Wait and strike, do it right. Learn the game, stack the game. Patient hunt, front to front. This my time, watch me climb. Fuck all the noise, clear out my head. Make the right choice, stack up this bread. Quick on the draw, but timing is key. Study the law of supply, yeah. D, charts tell the truth, data don't lie. Here's the proof, watch profits fly. Discipline tight, mind in the zone, do this shit right. I'm on thrive.
Down, take a breath, every L just shows the test. Build it up, break it down, analyze without the stress. Then
Back in attack, flow like a pro, stay on the track, watch numbers grow, cut through the shit, trust what I know, win bit by bit, put on a show, every move playing, nothing by chance, take my stance, seize my advance, quick with the wits, sharp as a blade, making hits, getting paid. Ring, 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 ring.
charts on my screen, mind in the zone, studying patterns while I'm all alone. Fuck all the bullshit, this ain't no game. When I hit that trade, watch the profit rain. Learn, trade, win, that's the fucking way. Stack them profits every single day. Learn, trade, win, ain't no time to waste. Discord familiar, got my back, we stay great. Quick with the clicks, analysis tight. Market's moving, but I time it right. See that signal, I don't hesitate. Years of losses taught me how to navigate. Finger on the trigger, heart beating fast. Each trade I take, built from lessons past. Fucking with precision, watch how I flow. Red to green, baby, that's how we go. Charts telling stories, I read them clear. While amateurs panic, I persevere. Learn, trade, win, that's the fucking way. Stack them profits every single day. Learn, trade, win, ain't no time to waste. Discord familiar, got my back, we stay great.
strong, we share what we know. Each trade we take helps the other one grow. Fuck the FOMO, we stay calculated. Patient assassins, highly rated. Break down resistance, support won't bend. Technical masteries where we transcend. Keep it controlled, no emotional trades. That's how the real fucking money gets made. Discord buzzing, knowledge flowing free. Real-time updates from LTW family. Chart patterns forming, we spot them quick. Experience taught us which ones to pick.
Slow it down, let me tell you something clear. Every loss I took brought me right here. Built my strategy through blood and tears. Now I execute without any fears.
Learn, trade, win, that's the fucking way. Stack them profits every single day. Learn, trade, win, ain't no time to waste. Discord familiar got my back, we stay great. Time to accelerate, watch how I close. Each trade I take, peeling verbose. Rapid execution, precision sharp. Like a fucking sniper in the dark. No hesitation when I see the sign. Years of practice got my skills refined. Community backing every move I make. That's why this shit isn't cards till they knew my name.
This ain't luck, this is pure damn skill. Watch how we fucking climb up this hill. Learn, trade, motherfucking win. That's the mindset that we're always in. Discord army, we don't ever quit. Making history with every hit.
Good morning, YouTube. Good morning, Discord. How is everybody today?
Oh,
Good morning, Paul. How are you?
not too bad, my man. Sitting here looking out at the amazing sunshine, but there's work to be done.
Beautiful, beautiful, beautiful.
Yeah.
Let's see what we can do today. Right back up into this consolidation. Sadly, that's not what I wanted to see. I was hoping that news was going to push us out, but such good luck. But however, Nas, whoever was playing with Nas, he did well. Very nice for whoever was trading her, and she should be good for the rest of the day. All joking aside, since we made this big move here, actually should be pretty decent. I mean, ES, NAS, Dow, all these things, right? Whoa. I didn't even see Bitcoin. She might be getting down to fill this gap. Must have just hit the 0.5 for all you guys. I know. I don't think any of you guys actually trade it, but just to show that she plays along the same rules. There's your gap. Take your 0.5. She's going to come test that first because everybody's looking for the gap fill. Come down, tap the 0.5 and continue on. Just same thing all the time, guys. Repetitive, over and over and over and over. I hate saying this stuff, Paul, because I start feeling like I'm sounding like TJ at times. Song on repeat, he used to always say, but it's true. The market just does the same thing over and over and over and over and over again. And everybody tries to overcomplicate it, guys. It's super, super easy. It just does the same thing over and over and over and over. Just figure out whatever niche you have for what it's doing and continue to do it continuously. Just time and time and time again. Be repetitive and make sure you stay consistent. I'm telling you, it's not hard. It's just, it's hard to stay disciplined and do the same thing over and over and over again. That's where the hard part comes in at, right? But you see this happen over and over and over again. I mean, if you're trading BTC, you would have known. You know, this Bitcoin did the exact same thing. All these things do the exact same thing. There's no difference. Market's always the same.
Every time Bitcoin hits a new all-time high, she always crashes. I don't know how people don't see this stage of the game.
Yep. What did I say about BTC? I said she came down and filled that gap to the 0.5. Here's the gap. We open with this gap right here. Right? So on the 8th, when you closed, then that Monday, you opened the 10th, right? 4 days ago, she opened on the weekly open, just say whatever, right? And she opened with this big gap. And then when we came down and tapped this gap, what happened? We hit the 0.5. Exactly. It always does the same thing. These gaps always get filled this way. Because everybody's looking for the complete gap fill. You pull your 0.5, bang. You know, it's always the same thing over and over and over again. Doesn't matter if you're looking at gold. Doesn't matter if you're looking at NQ. Doesn't matter if you're looking at BTC. All these things always do the same exact thing. Repetitively. That's what I said, Barbarian King. But it's boring after a while. I'll be honest with you.
I didn't see the gap on the normal Bitcoin chart.
Well, yeah, you'll never get the gap on the normal Bitcoin chart because it doesn't close.
Makes sense.
Yeah, I mean the close is because it closed on Friday and then opened back up on, well, it's Sunday, right, for the open. So like, think of your trading on Bitcoin. Think of trading over the weekend and say that Bitcoin moves a lot, right? If it moves a lot over the weekend, then your futures are going to open up with a gap. Why? Because if it moves straight up over the weekend, well, now it's going to open all the way up there on Sunday night. So that'll put it all the way up top. Makes sense?
Yep.
And that'll give you a gap. So if Bitcoin just runs sideways all weekend, or if Friday, Friday when we close, it makes a move up, and then by Sunday it makes the move back down, well, essentially futures will open exactly where it closed because Bitcoin never, it didn't actually go anywhere over the weekend. But if you push up during the weekend or you push down during the weekend, then, you're going to have a gap.
Yep.
Gold is sideways right now. Yeah, it is sideways. That's the whole problem. What do I think? I think that I wish that she would have moved, because essentially, I mean, originally that was the range anyways. I was trying to keep this little bitty range here, but this is the range that we're in. I was hoping that once news hit, she would either push up or down, and instead we just pushed down and came right back into it. So we're, if you want to look at it, we're an inside day. Inside yesterday's daily trading range. That's where we're at. And she's just in this ugly range. So that's what she looks like right now. NQ looks so much better. I know I'm not allowed to say that, but NQ looks much better today. Just putting that out there for you guys. Just throwing it out there. NQ's been doing good early. I mean, I don't know how many of you guys trade NQ early on, but NQ's been doing good early. I've been trading NQ before 1. And I get all my trades in and then get on to doing other things. Now, maybe it's because I've got a whole bunch of stuff on my plate right now and I'm trying to trade it early, but it seems to me like she's moving very well early. I'm not even having to trade between 2 and 4. I'll be honest with you. I'm already done before we ever get to that time. So again, maybe it's just because I got a lot on my plate and I'm trying to get it done, but it sure seems like to me that she's moving super good early on in the day to where she used to not really move early on. So I don't know. You guys tell me. You guys trade NQ much more than I do, but that's how I feel about it.
Yep, you're absolutely right. Everything seems to be up on its head these days. Gold makes a lot of the moves now during the Asia in London. And NQ is starting to run a hell of a lot earlier than it used to. Me and Ekin's watching these charts from the minute we get up to the minute we go to bed.
Yeah, that's what I see too. It seems like gold is making a lot of its moves, and I don't get so upset about that, guys. This, you know, that's one thing that I struggled with. You know, if everybody wants to talk about, you know, the mental game of this, the mindset of it, and what you struggle with, that's one of the things that I super struggled with, was the fact that I was looking for moves way back when, and the moves would happen, you know, during overnight when I was asleep, right? During the overnight sessions, I would get so upset because I'm looking for this move, but now I figured out there's just, you can just trade, you know, other things. You move over to NQ, you do whatever. While these things aren't working, it's not that big of a deal. And there's always going to be more trades, so rather miss it than be on the wrong side. Yes, man of the woods, that is 1,000,000% correct. And that's the thing. And it doesn't bother me anymore that it moves overnight. Like I said, you still got NQ. There's just, I feel like over time, you start recognizing that there's many more opportunities in the market than you thought in the beginning. As time goes and you build, you know, more knowledge of how the market moves, and you build more, you know, experience in trading, I think those things kind of slip away. And I think that's something that I struggled with in the beginning. I don't know if everybody else does, but that's something that I kind of struggled with in the beginning was, oh, there was my move and I was asleep and I missed it. And I think a lot of that comes from crypto trading, honestly, because you have to stay awake and do your crypto trading when it moves. So you're always thinking that you missed it. And in these markets, I don't feel like there's really a miss. There's so many opportunities. There's not a miss. You can always go to a different asset. There's always tomorrow. There's just too many opportunities to call anything a miss. I mean, did you miss it? Yeah, I guess so, but does it matter? No. And it used to really bother me. Nowadays, it just doesn't. I feel like you can essentially find something, you know, later without having to worry about it. So it's not the end of the world, right? Good morning, Soul. Where crypto, you really don't feel that way. A lot of times crypto, and I know a lot of you guys, some of you trade crypto, some of you have traded crypto, some of you don't. But the thing with crypto is it can move sideways, especially if you're just trading Bitcoin. It can move sideways for days. And then all of a sudden, out of nowhere, you get this big move and you need to be trading it then. And if you miss that move, well, you could go days again without anything happening. I feel like these markets are much different than that, but that's just me. I feel like there's always an opportunity for moves, and, you know, if you get bored, just go to NQ. That'll take the boring right out of you.
Yep, can confirm.
Yeah, I mean, if you're struggling and you can't find something that moves, just go watch NQ for an hour, and that'll change your mind right around.
Yeah.
I think maybe that's bad for some people too. I'm not gonna lie, but because NQ moves so much that maybe people struggle with over trading it. I don't know, but NQ's always seems to be making some pretty big moves. You don't have to really wait for long to get involved. For all you guys that are here this morning, don't forget we do have the education stream at 1 o'clock, guys, so we will be back for that. Well, I mean, bans, yes and no. I get what you're saying, but in all honesty, NQ's not, I mean, it moves a lot, yes, but it's not as wild to trade as you might think, honestly, once you kind of get the flow of it, if you will. It's really not as bad as you might think. I mean, I don't know if that makes sense, right? Like, you can sit there and trade it and make your money. In Cuban Wildland, yeah, that is a fact. That's true. That's true.
There's even a song about it.
Yeah, I heard somebody did something like that. I don't know.
That's that. Yeah, Ban, see if you're going to do the NQ. One bit of advice I can give you, I'm still learning myself, but move out to the larger time frames. Avoid the 1 minute at all costs. I think a lot of people are losing their mind on the 1 minute. But if you to the 15, the 30, the 1 hour, draw up your ranges, wait for your move. Obviously, it's a bit more than that. And once you listen to reality often enough, I'm still learning it myself. But come down to the 800 and then combine everything together along with levels and ranges and everything that you know. And believe it or not, as reality says, it's quite predictable a lot of the time. But you need to know what you're doing. It's like everything else. That's been my experience of it anyway.
Yeah, I think the high time frames is the huge difference from. I think people get a false impression that you're scalping in and out of NQ. So therefore, if you're a scalper, you need to be on the 1 minute. Or I mean, some of these people are crazy; they even go lower than that. And I don't think that scalping is based on a time frame, guys. I don't think that you have to be. And I think that's a huge misconception that people have, honestly. I think that they believe, well, if I'm in and out of trades and if I'm scalping trades, then I have to be at a very low time frame. And I don't find that to be the truth, honestly. Yeah, Man of the Woods. I believe that. You see that, Paul? Yeah, Man of the Woods says, I cut the 5-minute charts out this year, and all of a sudden I'm green. Yep. I believe that. I mean, I do. I believe that if you go to the higher time frames, and maybe even on NQ do 15. I mean, I'm not saying go to the 4 hour or whatever, but I mean, even just do the 15. Right? I think you get more of a perspective on what the price is doing just doing the 15. I mean, for you guys that love the super low time frames like the 1 minute, just pull your 800 chart up and keep like I mean how I do it, right? What I like to do is I like to keep a 30-minute chart, and I will look at NQ on the 30-minute chart, and then I'll trade it on the 800 tick. I mean, that's quick, guys. That's super fast. 800 tick is super fast on NQ. So if you're looking at your 30-minute on TradingView, so at least you can pay attention to what it's doing. I mean, you're zoomed out so you can actually see what price is doing, and then scalp the crap out of it on 800 tick. I mean, it'll run. It'll run. I'm telling you.
You'll have to have an NQ day reality and show them all what we're talking about.
Yeah, for sure.
Because the last day we spent literally the entire stream because gold was so flat, and we kept up the NQ chart and we kept up the 800 chart and just showing how they correlate with each other. Great way for people to get entries on the lower time frame. So yeah, definitely. Yeah, if anybody wants the secret sauce, you're here for that.
Yeah, for sure.
Excellent.
I'm gonna start posting for that account giveaway too, guys. The 25th. We'll give the count away on the 25th.
Sweet.
We'll try to come up with something, but I'll get that posted on like all the different places. But we'll do the 25th, give it away, and then whoever wins it, but they will have to use it before the end of the month. So you have to activate it before the end of the month. So that's why I'm going to wait until then. I don't want to try to build an audience, hopefully, since we're giving it away before then. So tell all your friends. Tell everybody, guys. Get everybody here. At least for one day, we can have a stream with a lot of viewers. Oh, that's my plan.
On the 25th, you say?
Yep, 25th.
Just
Not a holiday,
over
right?
now and rumble.
Make sure it's not a holiday. Pretty sure it's not, but 25th is when we'll do it. Monday the 25th. I think NQ will bring the viewers. I mean, we've did NQ a ton on here, Vance. So
Yeah.
this isn't the first time. We've done an NQ a ton of times. It doesn't seem to do anything. You know what brings the viewers? Us giving away free accounts and Full Port Fridays. Why? I have no idea why people love Full Port Fridays so much more than learning how to trade. But for whatever reason, we actually get more viewers on Full Port Fridays than we do when we're giving free stuff away. So if I say, okay, we're going to give free accounts away tomorrow, we'll get viewers. If I say, hey, tomorrow's Friday, we're going to have Full Port Friday, we'll get double the viewers. I wasn't around then, was watching Bad Gurus before. Yeah, people love Bad Gurus. Like, that's...
They do.
I appreciate that, Bands. I appreciate that. Yeah, it's just I think that people enjoy the trading regardless of winning or losing, and that's kind of where the crazy part comes for me. These guys they go and watch these gurus who are trading, you know, making all these trades all day long, but I mean these guys aren't actually winning. You know, and I just don't understand. I realize, I guess, because a lot of people are trying to follow signals, but if you're losing, I don't see how that helps much. But yeah, okay. I don't know.
Remember the guy came on here a couple of weeks ago and asked where was the premium channel?
Yeah.
Everybody expects to pay. You know what, man? I'm beginning to think we should start charging. If you want your numbers up, I'm telling you now. I on that side of the blue baller.
I've told you that before. I've told you. I said, I bet you if we came on here and just for like 1 month said, okay, here we are on YouTube and we've got a mentorship, and our mentorship is $99 a month. I bet you that we could double all of our numbers just 1 month playing like we're charging for stuff. People will show up. They come out of the woodwork. I don't understand. It's just, and I was told this. You remember, and JB, if you're out there, hello. You remember JB, right?
Of course.
Yeah. Well, JB told me, he says, you realize first off, he thought I should charge way back when we first started the server. He didn't think I should do it for free. He said that you know, it's just not something you should do. You shouldn't put in your time like that, everything else. But also he told me, he says, you don't understand. People don't look at it the same. When they have to pay for something, now they look at the value. And when it's free, they just don't consider the value at all because they're not paying for it. So therefore, in people's minds, sadly, your information is worth more. Your whatever is worth more just because people have to pay. So, I mean, and he makes sense in a way, because think about this for a minute. And I'm not trying to be funny here or whatever, but let's just say the stream, we've got 7 viewers right now, right? Now, if this was a paid stream, right, and we had 20 people who paid, well, how many people would be here? All 20. All 20 are going to show up. Why? Because they paid. So they have to be here now. Why would they be anywhere else? You know, but since it's free, well, you know, they can come tomorrow, they can come the next day, they can show up whenever. It's no big deal. Where if you pay for something, well, you're not getting your money's worth if you pay every month and you never show up and do anything. So same thing with the server all the way around. If the server's free, people can come in and chat here and there. But if you had to pay $99 a month, well, how many people would be there interacting? Well, everybody would be there interacting, all of them, all the time. It's ridiculous.
Yes, that is part of human psychology. I don't know
Yes.
why it is,
Yeah.
but they do seem to think that if there's a monetary value associated with something,
Yes.
that it is somehow or another going to be better. That is,
Exactly.
we've been programmed to think that way. All by, like yourself, it's all about consumerism. You know, they think that if you pay the money.
Yep. And it's crazy. It's crazy how it works. And I don't know how to get around it because my problem is, and has been since the very beginning, I want you guys to keep your money and be able to use it in the markets. Not to have to pay for something that, you know what I mean? I don't get the whole just around it, but I never have. Like I said, I don't understand it, and I've never quite got it, but it makes sense. Yeah, King was on here yesterday, same thing. King, if you're out there, whatever. But I mean, he's running an indicator now that he's selling. He sells mentorships. You already know that, but I mean, it's just, and he's got, you know, tons of people go and follow him in comparison. You know why? Because he's selling mentorships and things like that. So,
oh, that's what I came here for, to sell you guys some tacos. Better than a mentorship.
that is, you're 100% right, Aiken. Tacos are better than mentorships.
All right, so I think I made back. I'm 7 minutes late, but I'm here.
Well, I'm glad you made it. We were just talking about the fact that we're going to have to start charging for the Discord now. So,
Well,
I mean, it's just one of those things. You don't get any value unless you pay for it.
oh yeah.
Bands is on YouTube. He wants you to post him a taco.
I'm not even on you. Oh, I mean,
Yeah, you want to know? I mean, we were just talking about how crazy it is that people don't feel like it's of value unless you pay for it, and it's true. It's crazy, but that's how people look at it. They really don't believe that there's tacos. Sweet. They really don't believe that it's that it's value unless you pay for it, and I think it's crazy. But yeah.
it makes you feel like you're part of something exclusive. They don't care.
Yeah.
Just a number, bro.
Exactly. So, I don't know.
So we're going to start charging, and that's what I'm hearing.
Right after 12 o'clock, we're charging Jiggy.
Yeah.
Well.
We got to get value out of this thing. Aiken, you got to get value. And I mean, right now you're just not getting any value. If you had to pay for it, you'd be getting value. So, I mean, that's just
it's like
crazy.
it's like a subscription. I already have 30,000 of them, but what's one more?
Yeah.
It's kind of like the
Kind of like the what? Oh, he's breaking up.
ads. Oh, it's like the. Oh, can you hear me now?
Yep, now I can hear you.
Hold on. Okay. It's like one of those commercials where they're like, we're trying to save you money, and they scan your bank account, and they're like, oh, you're paying for 2 Netflix subscriptions. You're like, how do you not even know you're paying for 2 subscriptions? So it looks like Nasdaq did the move that I thought they were gonna do yesterday. That's sick.
First cup steaming beside my screen. Charts and candles know what I mean.
That last, what I call 30-minute candle was nice. I got on it, but it hit my stop loss before it started running. But what can you do?
Markets calling my name. Trading ain't just a game. What you learn, babe, what you learn.
Must have been some good news.
Yeah, yeah.
Teaching you how to survive. Morning routine, let me show you mine. Building wealth one trade at a time. Woke up early, check the trends. Send your signals, watch you win. Ain't no sleeping when Asia trades. Got my system, got it made. Keep it cool, stay in the zone. Analysis on my phone. Trading life, it's all I know. Watch these
I think you just claimed almost all of that drop again.
Yeah.
Broke right through London low, Asia low. Wow. Dang it.
Trading wisdom, dropping knowledge every day. Show you how to read the markets display. No FOMO moves, we stay calculated. Success comes to those who waited.
take notes while I demonstrate. Perfect entries, never too late. Watch how I navigate. Charts and coffee, that's my vibe. Teaching you how to survive. Morning routine, let me show you mine. Building wealth one trade at a time. Let me show you mine.
Gold is just playing in this box, I swear to you. What's she gonna do?
First light breaking through my window, cup in hand, just me and morning slogans. Watching steam curl up towards the ceiling, each breath measured, each moment revealing. Early peace before the world starts spinning, just us here, no need for pretending. Screen comes alive with gentle blue light, your patterns speak to me, morning feels right. Time suspended in the sacred space, just learning your rhythms, finding my place. Steam rising from my cup while these charts are lighting.
All right, come on, Nasdaq, long. Let's do this.
Yeah, I'm sitting here watching the 5-minute and 15-minute develop. I was left behind a few wickless on the 800, so I'm a little bit nervous to enter, but I see what you're going for.
Yeah, you should
Hopefully.
have a wick on the top of this candle, hopefully, but who knows?
New 15 just started. Wick to what? To the down or to the upside?
Well, you need. There's no top wick on the candle currently, so you should have a top wick at least on this candle right here. Let's see. It's
Come on, baby.
up.
Here we
Got to put a top wick on this 15. It could throw the top wick, flip, and then come down, but it should put a top wick first. You're 30. You know, you got 15 minutes left of the 30, so you are coming back into the consolidation area that you were in before. Doesn't mean she can't push up and through it, but you see what I'm saying? So there's your top wick on the 15.
No, I don't want to hear that.
Well, I mean, not saying it's going to go down. I'm just saying it needed a top wick because you had a wickless candle. Your last 15-minute candle was wickless. Could just run sideways. I mean, there's no telling, but I'm just looking at the 15 because you're, yes, I assume you're in right now, but.
Yep.
I'm still waiting for the wick to be put on the 800 chart. There's a couple of ones down below that I'm keeping an eye on.
That
Am I
makes
scared?
sense. I hope you ain't scared.
Momentum's still, I think, on my side, so I'm riding this like a pony without a saddle and a top on my left hand.
NQ's always got momentum.
Yeah.
She's always got momentum. She got motion.
She knows how to go all night long.
Oh, jeez.
Tell you what, though, the worst is getting a mosquito bite in your elbow.
Early morning stillness, just you and me.
Come on, drive it like the NASCAR.
Charts on my screen.
Yeah, she's going now. She put the bottom wick, so now she's moving up. Moving on up.
They're giving me a clue.
Yeah, boy.
Watch your rise and
How's
fall,
not
both see
how's not moving, soul?
morning meditation.
ES and NQ look better currently. Oh,
I can read these patterns like they're speaking clear, teaching me the rhythm of the day that's near. Every line tells a story, every trend holds a truth,
That early morning wick was wicked, huh?
yeah.
Yeah.
They had a prep for the move later today.
Come on, Aiken, this should be going your way now, is it?
Yep. Telling profit.
London High's coming in now at 941, so be careful around the 941 area if it mixed up that far.
Okay, thank you. My profit was 44.
44. Yeah, well, we're within a couple of dollars, as per usual. Hopefully it keeps on pumping for you now.
Watch it flow.
Fortunately, the 800 left a couple of wickless behind. I would have loved to have joined you in that one.
Let's see how to put the wick on this. Will it grab it on the way up or will it grab it on the way down?
Question? Let me see.
I think they're going to grab it on the way down.
Well, that's going to be your fair value gap fill here. Almost there. See? Well, I don't know if you're looking at YouTube, but
Yeah, the 4 hour has actually flipped.
That's going to be your fill, so you got to assume that you'll see shorts come in there. The hour already filled. And then see what it does past there. 15:30, everything is she's filling. There it is, right? Almost.
Come
Tap it
on.
right now. About to tap that fill right now. There. One tick.
Come
Maybe it's
on.
more than one.
Come on, push it a little bit more. A little
She's
bit
almost
more.
there. She's almost there. She's got to front run it.
Nice one, Aiken.
Come on,
Yeah, very
she's
nice,
so there.
very nice.
She's taunting me, bro. I don't like this.
I always say one tick, but one tick's a lot different on it's not really a tick on NQ. It's like 30. But one
on,
tick
you're
looks
right
like there it is. Tapped.
Come on. No,
Good
come
tap.
on. There, I'm out.
Okay, good job,
Yeah.
good job,
Nice.
good job.
Oh, and she's carrying on through. Nice one.
Very nice, very nice.
Well done, high recovered. Nice one. Good trade, Aiken. Oh, she's still pumping.
Just be careful.
I missed my opportunity, so I'm not going to jump on for another.
Yeah,
candle
I do
yet, even though
not
she's-
blame you.
It's very hard.
When you FOMO, they take your money right away. Remember.
I know. I know. So the 15 looks very sweet too on the NQ. It's breaking previous market structure with the body as well. So
It's trying. I think if it breaks above like 960, it may push up to 973.
it needs to hold above 952, which is the previous market structure on the 15. We can keep the candle body above that long. We left 7 minutes.
Yeah, we still got time.
Yeah, but the
It's
800
moving
is giving
nice.
some money out.
Oh yeah,
That
she
looks
chomping over
ugly.
the back, man. Wah, 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 wah.
The ES hadn't filled that gap yet. Oh. I wonder if that means that NQ will go up more. I mean, I don't know. I'm trying to pay attention to this. Soul talks about these things and back and forth. I'm still trying to... Got the TP1. Very nice, man of the woods. Very nice, very nice. I keep trying to correlate these back and forth to see what they really look like here.
How many chats I can't keep track of? Yeah, boy. Very nice. Very nice.
Ooh, that was some rejection of yesterday's VWAP on the 5 minutes. Whoa, it actually caused it to flip.
Look at that flip.
It's also the top of the range that we have been looking at, Aiken, since yesterday. Check the chat. I drew this box yesterday and bar that move out of it. It's literally using the top of that range at about 963 and around that there. It's been almost like a force feed.
I'm looking at your chart. What were you saying?
I was saying if you check that we're still in the range from yesterday at about 3:30 my time.
Oh yeah, yeah. Mm-hmm.
Moving in, out, and out, moved massive down, created a little range, and then shot back up again.
I'm
So,
wondering.
well,
I say we fill it on Friday.
quite possible. A lot of room to the downside. Keep saying this and it keeps going up. Why isn't it balancing itself out?
Huh?
Why isn't the NQ balancing itself out? Because, like I said, there's massive divergences on the higher time frames, and this thing has just done nothing but go up, 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 up.
Yeah, that's why I don't look at those things. I mean,
See, I do
I
look
have
at them.
my bottom one, but I don't really look at it. Honestly, I think I could try. If I removed it, it wouldn't change my trading behavior.
I just like to know.
Kind of like same with like the volume. Yeah, the volume is there, you can see it, but to me, it doesn't really give me anything.
Okay.
But I still have it. I don't mind, but I guess it makes me feel cool. See, I expected this rejection here.
Yeah. Rejected perfectly at 9.62 to the dollar.
Good morning, Man Bear Bull.
Good morning, Man Bear Bull. You know what?
Hi, Man Bear Bull. You got to be precise with Nasdaq, dude. If you're off by a few and you don't chase it with your stop loss or have a risk management, that would turn around against you so quick.
Yep. Have your TP already decided before you enter and just take it at the TP and just, or else just with the stop loss.
You have to.
If I just with a stop loss, unless it's a really big move, it'll always come back to break even. So I have a tendency once it gets to my TP, just simply press close. But I'm still working on the process of chasing with a stop loss. Just need better entries so you get more runners.
Well, if you're chasing with your stop loss and you're getting out by your stop loss, it sounds like you don't have your targets in mind. Because your target should be getting hit with limit orders, not market orders.
I always just simply mark it out. But yeah, I must try that limit order out as well, actually, now that you say that.
Which I believe if you're doing Ninja Trader, that those are limit orders, I thought. Especially with strategy, right, Reality?
Yeah, I mean, if you use it as, if you set them up as limit orders, yeah. I want to see how this next candle opens on this.
Yeah, I'm watching is it 15 and the 30? Yes, it is. It's everything, actually.
That's the 4 hour too. It's 4 hour down. 4 hour down.
That's right. The 4 hour, they're behind the gold.
For me, it looks more bullish.
What do you make? What do you think of the 4 hour reality on Nasdaq?
I mean,
It's a hell of a wick.
it's just a doji. So essentially, we never did anything. I mean, if you look at the 4 hour and then you just draw your box right here, right, for this range, you've done nothing. You're just trapped inside the range. It just wicked out to stop everybody both sides. But really, you've got nothing. That's why I'm so interested in how the next candle is going to open. And curious as to what she's going to do here. It is an interesting spot. Gold's not so interesting. Good morning, Warner.
What up, Warner?
Good morning, Warner.
I got my girl looking at charts again. She's great for a while.
Beautiful. NQ's at daily open, guys, Warner says. Very nice, very nice. Yeah, 4 hour, we were just discussing.
About the taco, he's coming back.
I don't know if we've got... I don't know if we've got any YouTube, though. We may have lost everything else. No big deal, but I think we may have lost everything else. YouTube, are you here? Is anybody here? Can anybody see the stream? I'm just loading, but that doesn't mean anything necessarily.
I'm checking here now. Yep.
Nasdaq short.
927.
I don't know.
MNQ.
Yeah, I would say not financial advice. Probably targeting 912 or 907, 908.
It's already run for me.
Not saying take anything. We're just saying what we see.
Oh no, I see exactly, and I agree exactly what you're at, because it went up, it found its resistance at the London high, and just as we were saying there before it started, wondering is it going to sweep the ranges again, because there's a lot of liquidity down below to recover. I just didn't have the balls to get directly off the London highs and Asia highs yet, even though we've seen it work multiple times.
Just don't get greedy, remember.
Absolutely. I'm not even on it. I'm not even on it. Like I said, it just it kind of missed it. So
I guess the right word should be don't get greedy, but don't get the FOMO. Because once you get the FOMO, you get greedy, bro.
yeah, it's the FOMO that's the killer for me. Like I said, I've I revenge traded twice this week already, so I need to get the head back on the shoulders again. It seems to be whenever I go below 50k on my eval, I seem to go a bit squirrely, and it's only a fucking number.
Are we back on YouTube? Maybe we are. I can't tell.
We are. Yeah, I can see you on the YouTube.
Okay. All right.
Charts.
I'm sorry, guys. I don't know what happened. My internet actually just went off. I mean, it just went off. I don't know what happened. We live. Yeah, we back. That was crazy. I was trying to use the phone, and it's funny, guys. I don't know if everybody got to see the text here. I can't see if it's on here. I don't think it was. But anyways, I tried to put I lost internet, and it said I lost interest. The phone spell correct. I'm like, no way. They probably are like, what? You lost interest? Yeah, I'm done, guys. I lost interest in this whole thing. Sorry, there's nothing here. Later. I'm like, I can't believe the phone did that. I lost interest. Oh man, gold went down too. Oh my jeez. What is going on?
You did it on purpose.
What is going on? Yeah, they locked me out on purpose. Man. It was Steve setting me up. Look at this. Are you serious right now?
Come on, Steve.
We didn't have no bottom wick though, all joking aside, so I would have wanted to see a bottom wick on this candle, but other than that, that actually wasn't a bad entry, guys. Gosh almighty. Why do you do this to me? Anyway, as soon as I look at NQ, I swear.
Yeah, put on a wick to the left as well.
Unbelievable.
Mm-hmm.
Unbelievable.
They said we got him. Quick, pump it. Dump it.
Yeah, right? Can you believe it?
This might be it right here for the short. What are we talking about? 913